Sir Samuel Isidore Salmon, CBE, JP, 18 October 1980, was a British politician, corporate executive, and philanthropist. Early life. Samuel Isidore Salmon was the son of Isidore Salmon MP and Kate Abrahams. He attended Bedale School, for which he was head boy in 1919. Career. From 1965 to 1968, he was a member of the Greater London Council, for which he became deputy chairman in 1968. He was mayor of Hammersmith in 1968-69, and from 1965 to 1968 was chairman of J. Lyons and Company. Personal life. Salmon married Lalla Wendy Benjamin. They had 2 children, Belinda Harding and Jonathan Salmon. References. External links. Time Magazine, Britain from T to T's, retrieved 22 February 2011.